Hey, I thought I'd do another video on the Beretta Silver Pigeon. I got peeved again today. I was out shooting and looking at some of the silver pigeons that are just a couple of years older than this one, and the quality is just night and day. This gun is ugly and garish and pimpish and cheapish compared to those silver pigeons that were made just a couple of years before this. This is what we would call the face of modern value engineering. And value engineering means they're trying to cut the cost and trying to find some value in their manufacturing process. And so they took a big giant stock that, you know, it's way oversized and stuck it on this receiver. And there's plenty of $300 guns out there that have better fits than this. And then this laser engraving, this laser scrolling it's like something you'd see in a cheap Turkish tour shop. $5 piece of a $5 knife with scrolling like this. It's just no scrolling would have been better than this over the top scrolling. It's just it's just there's no excuse for this kind of manufacturing uh, in this day of age. This is just entirely, and this is an unacceptable $2,000 gun, particularly when you look at the ones that were made just a few years ago. This used to be considered by many to be a masterpiece of modern manufacturing, and this is what value engineering does to a high quality product. It just you can take a premium piece of product and just destroy it with value engineering. So I think I've got this off my chest today. It kind of shoots well, but it's just butt ugly, and it's just a shame to see another high quality product go down the path of value manufacturing and cheapen the quality of a product. So hey, watch out what you buy. Make sure that you don't buy on the internet to buy it without a real new picture. Good luck.